In this video, I'll show you how you can stop Path of Exile 2 from crashing on your PC. Now the first step that you want to try is to verify the game files. So find where you have the game, right-click, Properties, Installed Files, and then verify integrity of the game files. Once you've done this, the game might work. Now if this still doesn't work, you want to try and find the launcher, so either it should be on your desktop, or you can find it by going in here and pressing Browse. Once you've found the browser, you want to right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, and then you want to activate these two. Press Apply and OK and see if that works. If that still doesn't work, try and run this program in Windows 7 and also try Windows 8 after and see which one works for you. Now, either one of these two should hopefully fix the issue, but as a last resort, if none of these work, what you can do is you can try and install if you have a second drive. So you can see I have two drives. You can try and download it on the other drive that is not downloaded on. For some reason this works for some people, and if none of these work, you might try and reinstall the game and see if that works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.